Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tefs. Welcome back again to this channel. Today's repair is a TCL Smart LED TV. Not turning on and no standby indicator. I will show you how to fix it. If you are new to this channel and have not subscribed yet, please subscribe now and like the video. You can also hit the notification bell so you never miss a video like this. So let's get started. I will start measure the primary capacitor if it is charged. It's not charged because it's shorted. It means the main fuse is blown. This MOSFET also shorted reading. I will desolder it and see if is shorted. It's shorted. This capacitor is the VCC supply of this PWM-IC driver. It is also shorted. Mostly when the power MOSFET is shorted, this driver also gets shorted or damaged. I don't have that PWM driver IC, so I will modify it using this STRW6053. It's easier to apply, stable, and safe. I have been doing this method since there is no available PWM IC driver. I will not yet tighten the screw so I can align the pins to the holes and tighten it later. These are the ground and BR, they will join together. This is the feedback or overload protection. And this is the power supply voltage input or VCC.
Ah.
Now the drain pin and source are in a position. I will now tighten the screw. This is now the source that connects to this resistor. The drain pin is not reaching the soldering pad. So I will solder this copper wire to the pad and connect it to the drain pin. This orange wire is the VCC. It will be connected to the positive of this capacitor. The blue wire is the feedback and connects to this photocoupler. And this black wire connects to the ground. Now the output of 12 volts is present.
If Davao is so multi-awarded, why is it that Mayor Duterte's press information officer Jeffrey Tuba was nabbed at a beach party
Seems
where
okay
she
now.
were snorting 1.5 million?
A few moments later.
The TV is working now. My customer says early that there is a black vertical line on the screen. He just wants the TV to turn on even if the vertical line will not be repaired. It is still a successful repair. Thanks for watching. I hope you like and enjoyed this video. Once again, this is Tefts. See you in the next video. Bye for now.